The next question is 1 by, that is integral of, third question, 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6. So what is the solution? The solution is, assume that is t equal to tan x by 2, and for the solution we get that dx, the dx can be written as a 2 into dt by 1 plus t square, and sin x can be written as a 2t by 1 plus t square, cos x can be written as 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. The first question is given question is taken as equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So we get that integral of 1 by 3 cos x, 3 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, 4 into sin x, 2t by 1 plus t square, plus 6 into dx, dx is nothing but 2 into dt by 1 plus t square. Okay. Here that LCM is 1 plus t square. So we get that 3 into 1, that is 3 minus 3t square plus 8t plus 6 into 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square into 2 into dt by 1 plus t square. So that is nothing but integral of 1 plus t square by 3 minus 3t square plus 8t plus 6 plus 6t square into 2 into dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square is cancelled, and we get that 6t square minus 3t square, that is 3t square plus 8t plus 9, 6 plus 3, that is nothing but 9, that is 2 into dt. Here this is finally it is converted into that. What is the form? The form is ax square plus bx plus c. Here the form is, what is the form? So 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. This is the form, and we simplify this one. That is 3t square that is 3t square plus 8t plus 9. So how it can be solved? Here the coefficient of t square is equal to 3. That is what step 1? Step 1 is take coefficient of t square, that is equal to 3 as a common. So that is nothing but 3t square plus 8t plus 9. If I am taking 3 as a common, we get that t square plus 8t by 3 plus 9 by 3. So that is 3 equal to t square plus 8t by 3. 9 by 3 is nothing but a 3. So taken as this is equation number 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So we can write it as step 2. What is step 2? Step 2 is t square plus t square plus 8t by 3 plus 3 is written as sum of squares x square plus or minus a square. So how can we write this one? T by 2 8t by 3 plus 3. This is nothing but, so written as either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So here this is a square plus 2ab, 2ab. The b is nothing but a 4 by 3. So 2 into 4, that is 8 t by 3. So this is a b value. 4 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 3 whole square plus 3. So we get that this is the form is written as here that add and subtract 4 by 3 whole square. So because it can be written as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So at last we get the t plus 4 by 3 whole square minus 16 by 9 plus 3. So we get that t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus of minus 16 plus 29, 3 9 are 27 divided by 9. So we get that t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus of 1 11 by 9. That is 11 by 9 is nothing but the 11 by 9 can be written in terms of square. Root 11 by 3 whole square. So finally it is converted into that x square plus or minus a square. So here it is so from 2 into 1 by 3t square plus 8t plus 9, and we have from 3, that is the 2 into 1 by 3 into this value 3t square plus 8t plus 9 can be written as 4t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus root 11 by 3 whole square. Here this is into dt. Integrate. This is nothing but 2 by 3 integral of 1 plus t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus root 11 by 3 whole square. So what is the form? What is the form? The form is 1 by x square plus a square. That is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Substitute x equal to t plus 4 by 3 and a equal to root 11 by 3, and we get that 2 by 3 into 1 by a, 1 by root 11 by 3 tan inverse of x t plus 4 by 3 by a root 11 by 3. So we get that 2 by 3 into 3 by root 11 into tan inverse of 3t by 4 by root 11 by 3. Here 3 will be cancelled and 3 will be cancelled. Finally we get that 2 by root 11 into tan inverse of 3t plus 4 by root 11, and the t, substitute the t is equal to tan x by 2. So we get that 2 by root 11 into tan inverse of 3 into tan x by 2 plus 4 by root 11. We add c.